Hello everyone. So let's demystify how Laravel builds web page behind the scenes. So this guide is designed for beginners who wants to understand the essentials flow of Laravel applications for handling requests to rendering views. So well, walk through four case components, so controllers, sorters, views, and layouts. So each plays a distinct role, and together they form the backbone of dynamic content delivery in Laravel. So first is this controller is responsible for managing the logic behind the about page. So first is So this is a PHP class that extends Laravel-based controller. So it contains an index method and returns the about view. Then user visits about this method is triggered to serve the page. So ay function nga index, so nag-return siya sa view about. So makita nimo siya butang na siya diri sa ari diri. So next is One. Step 2 na ta. So this file defend the routers that connects browse URL to specific controller method. So mo to ka web page. So makita nimo siya sa
Web PHP na.
so na siya diri. So next is so each routes get links URL to a controller method. So the name method give each route a label for use in redirects or blade departures. For example, about is tied to about controller index. So nakadiri so root gets so muna ang yielding ka mong gawas niya. So tawagon niya ang index which is di nadiri. So to nadiri. So to. Next is muna ang name niya ang tawag niya kay home. So same ra sad sa aning tulo maabot sa diri. So muna lang so next is nata sa web page. So kaning home controller is ano siya diri. So matrigger siya, maabot siya sa diri nga folder which is the contact blade ano sa website ani niya. So same ra sad aning function ani nila tanan sa web page. So para sa gapon ni sila. Next is step 3. So this blade fast defines the content shows on the about page. So step 3 creating the about page. So this blade files defines the context shown on the about page. So extend layouts that app tells Laravel to use the shared layout from app.blade.php section content. So defines the contents that will be inserted into the layout yield content placeholder. So the HTML includes a heading and a short welcome message. So nanako diri sa about blade.php. So nag-extend siya about sa layouts.php. So muna yung layout. So, nag-extend na siya rin sa blade.php. So muna siya ang design sa or color sa imong website. So muna siya ang itsura sa imong website. Look. So muna siya. So that's all. Thank you. Money contact about. So thank you.